Welcome to Nana's Cook and Craft Corner. On this video I'm going to show you how to make these cute little St. Patrick's Day boxes. I noticed when I was looking around on YouTube, I didn't see too much because I wanted to do some cool things I'm using these for a dinner party that I'm having and giving everybody one of these as a gift. So they're kind of really cute. I did them two different ways. This one's going to open up this way and a couple open up sideways, and the one I'm making will be sideways. But what it fits, I thought this was so cute that it fits 5 of these. You can either get green or gold chocolates, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and look at how cute that is. And that could be a little gift on the table to decorate your table, or for any friend or family member that you want to give it to. Anyways, let's get started. I'm going to grab my scoreboard and start crafting away. So this sheet is 4 by 8, and you can actually make on an 8.5 by 11 2 boxes, on a 12 by 12 3 boxes. So I thought this was pretty good to get 3 boxes out of a 12 by 12. I'm going to flip it on this way to score it. We're going to score it. Okay, 1 inch on both sides. So it's going to be 1 inch. And we're going to lightly do this because it's designer paper, but you can do it on cardstock, which is a little stronger, but I just go lightly so I don't crack the paper. I'm going to flip it to the 8 side, and we're going to score it at 1, 3.5, 4.5, 7. Alright, you can see all the scoreboards. We're going to pull that out of the way. I'm going to just burnish it with my hands lightly, because I don't, like I said, I don't use anything too hard on designer paper, because I've learned that it cracks if you're too rough with it. So we're going to just burnish all the edges. Nice. There. So now we're going to take this side right here. Here's 4 and the 8 inches, and we're going to come across the 8 inches and just go on 1 inch. All the lines on this side. This is a super easy box to make, and it's pretty quick, so you can do quite a few. It won't take you too long. And it's a nice little gift to give, you know, a little present to give out at St. Patrick's Day. Alright, so we have it all set, and what I'm going to do is I'll put the box together, and then we're going to come in and cut the 2 sides after. So right now, I'm going to fold this part up, and flip this here, and I'm going to do this side. I'm going to make sure the corners are good. I seal them nice and good, and you can do trimming after. Sides, and you can use any form of tape that you like, or glue, whatever you use, the glue of choice. Next section, we're going to go right in here. Make sure the corners fit nice, because the lid might have a hard time closing if it doesn't. So we're going to make sure. Alright. Now you can burnish this at this point, but it works fine with my fingers. It just sticks well. All those boxes I made, and I didn't really use a burnishing tool. Alright, so the top part is going to go with this here. The lid is going to get glued. Back, and I'll look up the box over, and then if there's something you don't like, just trim it wherever it's off. Let's see if we're going to close it up, see if it closes nice. which it does. Flip over here. All right, and we're gonna come and do two things. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna angle this right like that. Across the other side. Now I'm eyeballing it. You can take a measuring tape, whatever, and if you want to and measure, but I just came to an angle and closed it like so. Now you have two choices. This box, I'm gonna do this side. Punch. Oh, I don't have the freaking thing. Okay. Alright, so we're going to take the 1-inch punch, and I'm going to go for this box. Since I did them all like that, I did the two sides, and I'm making this the same. These are the ones I'm giving away. I'm going to go in here and put it right about a 1/4 inch off the side, and do the same on the other side. This way it's easier to open up the box, and it's just 1/3 on my circle punch down. So then when you go to open it, it'll be really easy to open. Now, you could also open it this way, which I like too. It's just I did the boxes on the side. I actually kind of like this one better, but the choice is yours. So we're gonna just have to, the rest of it is just to decorate it. Okay, so I'm gonna take the baker's twine, and I'm gonna tie, actually, sometimes it's easier just to tie a knot first, so it doesn't slide and the box is tight in here. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to take it. Sometimes it's hard to do a bow when you're doing it on a camera. Alright, let's see, just slice this up. Got the bow done, and I'm going to put this bigger, lighter green shamrock on that, and then I got a little one that I want to put on top of that. And I have a square diamond to put on it to finish off the box. The glue will dry clear, so I'm not worried about that, but there you go. And this is, I took cardstock and then I covered the sections of it. So you have a choice to do it that way, the way I just did it. And then I strictly did this one, I didn't tie it down. And this is just cardstock with some lace around it. So I give you different ideas how to decorate the box. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and bye from Nana.